Have you ever been in the middle of a conversation with your partner and realized he's here, but he's not here? Have you ever reached for connection and felt the distance even though nothing is technically wrong? Have you ever laid in bed next to the person you chose and felt completely invisible? Not unloved, just unseen. And then told yourself you were being too sensitive, that you were asking for too much, that this is just what long relationships feel like. That feeling of being unseen is not a relationship problem first. It is a story problem first. Because somewhere along the way, you started editing yourself down. You stopped asking for the things that felt like too much. You got quieter about your needs because the asking felt more painful than the not having. And now the distance you feel from him is partly the distance you created from yourself. You cannot be fully seen by someone else when you have spent years making yourself smaller so everyone around you stays comfortable. The lie that was handed to women, especially women who love hard, is that being easy to love means being easy to manage. Low maintenance. Grateful for what you have. Not too much. That lie is the enemy, not your partner, not your relationship. That story that says the way to keep love is to need less of it. You cannot be fully seen by someone else when you have been hiding from yourself. The distance in your relationship started the day you stopped telling the truth about what you needed. Self-love is not what you do after everyone else is okay. It is what makes it possible to love anyone at all. Here's what I want you to do this week. One honest answer to one question. And you don't have to tell anyone the answer yet. Just answer it for yourself. What is the one thing you stopped asking for in this relationship? Because you got tired of asking. Not a complaint, not an accusation, just the honest thing. That answers the story, and that story is where we start. Sunday, we bring this into the marriage. Today, you do the work on you. And if you want the full framework, the $9 intimacy book is where this comes alive. SimplifiedUplifters.com/intimacy. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary.